Technology and Livelihood Education. Family and Consumer Science for Grade 7. Quarter 3 Week 6. Our topic is Table Napkin Folds. The content standard for this lesson is: the learners demonstrate an understanding of the fundamentals of the hospitality and tourism industry. The performance for this lesson is: the learners are expected to apply skills in food preparation and services following safety precautions. Here are the learning competency and learning objectives for this lesson. Review of the previous lesson. What is the main difference between tableware and flatware? Answer: tableware includes all items used to set a table for dining, such as dishes, plates, glasses, cups, and utensils. Flatware, on the other hand, specifically refers to table utensils like spoons, forks, and knives, which are made from materials like silver, acrylic, plastic, or stainless steel. Which type of tableware is used to hold liquids or foods with hollow space? Answer: hollowware is used to hold foods and liquids with hollow space, such as sugar bowls, coffee pots, teapots, and soup tureens. What material is typically used to make crockery or chinaware? Crockery or chinaware is usually made from ceramic material, often associated with being made in China, and includes items like plates, cups, and saucers used during meals. Why do you think we need to familiarize ourselves with the different kitchen tools, utensils, and equipment at home? Familiarizing ourselves with different kitchen tools, utensils, and equipment helps improve efficiency and safety while cooking. It allows us to choose the right tools for specific tasks, ensures proper maintenance, and prevents accidents. Understanding their functions also enhances meal preparation, leading to better cooking results and a more organized, enjoyable kitchen experience. What do we call those colorful folded napkins below? Were you able to try folding napkins on the table? When was that? Table napkin folds. Definition of terms. Napkin is one of the most striking elements you can put on a table for designing atmosphere and for protection from any food and drink spill. We have napkins for any occasion, from an informal breakfast to a festive dinner. Table napkin: a small piece of cloth or paper, usually square, placed on the lap, used to wipe the lips when eating, and it also protect our clothes from food or drink spill. Table napkin folding is a type of decorative folding done with a napkin. It can be done as art or as a hobby. Napkin folding is most commonly encountered as a table decoration in restaurants or hotels. Functions of table napkin. Functions of table napkin. Table napkins serve a very practical function, and they can be decorative as well. They can be used to wipe food and drink from the mouth and face, or they can be placed in the lap or under the chin to protect clothes while eating. Napkins can also serve as coasters when setting down a drink, or soak up small spills at the table. Napkins can also cover an occasional cough, but etiquette dictates they should not be used for blowing your nose at the table. Types of table napkin. First is the cloth napkins. Cloth napkins are often referred to as linen napkins, although they may be made from a variety of fabrics, such as cotton, polyester, twill, damask, or blends of several materials. Next is the paper napkins. Paper napkins are disposable, making them convenient for everyday use and used with small children. Standard size of table napkins. Dinner napkins is 20 by 20 inches square, perfect square, up to 22 by 22 inches square. Luncheon or breakfast napkins are 16 inches square. Tea napkins are 9 to 10 inches square. Cocktail napkins are 6 to 7 inches square. Cloth napkins come in several sizes. Each size is tailored to a specific use. First is the beverage napkin. Used when serving drinks and hors d'oeuvres, like most cloth napkins, is square, about 5 inches to each side. It is used in bars and restaurants. They are designed underneath a drink or cocktail glass to absorb any drips from condensation, ensuring the surface remains clean and dry. These napkins can also gently dab the sides of one's mouth to remove drink residue. A luncheon napkin is a couple of inches larger, and a dinner napkin larger still. Dinner napkins are typically reusable and made from fabric, unlike paper-based disposable napkins. Their sizes vary, ranging from 16 inches by 16 inches to 22 inches by 22 inches. These napkins are fabric-made, so they don't come pre-folded to allow creative folding designs depending on one's customer's discretion. The theory, evidently, is that the more food and drink that is served, the more potential there is for spillage, so the bigger the napkin must be to catch it. It is important to note that the larger the size of the napkin to be used, measuring 22 times 22 inches, the more formal the dinner event, which means a highly prestigious dining experience it will bring to the guests. Napkin folding style. Dining room is better served by the use of the correct style and size of napkin fold, and the right color in respect of the room decor. As the objective of creating a beautiful napkin fold is to enhance table presentation and create a harmonious atmosphere, there are things to consider in selecting proper style of table napkin. Each situation is unique, depending on aspects such as the venue's location, the nature of the event, the chosen napkin fold. The following are the basic napkin folds. The banana napkin fold. The following are the steps in making banana table napkin folds. 1. Position the cloth napkin on the table like a diamond flat. 2. To create a triangle-shaped fold, fold the cloth outward by meeting one lower corner endpoint to the upper corner endpoint. 3. Fold the left and right endpoints at the sides going at the upper center part. Then, fold the lower endpoint upward, approximately 1.5 inches. And finally, turn it over and insert or tuck in the left and right lower end points on the open part of the cloth below to secure the folds. Then, pull the upper cloth downward as if you are peeling the banana. Steps in making candle napkin fold. 1. Fold napkin in half diagonally. 2. Fold corners to meet at point. 3. Fold bottom point 2/3 way to top and fold back onto itself. 4. Turn napkin over bringing corners together, tucking one into the other. 5. Peel top 2 corners to make crown, open base of fold and stand upright. Steps in making pyramid napkin fold. 1. Fold the napkin half diagonally. 2. Fold corners to meet top points. 3. Turn it over and fold it again in half, meeting at the upper center part of the cloth. 4. As shown in the photo below, meet up at the center and position it on top of the dinner plate. Steps in making rosebud napkin fold. 1. Fold napkin in half diagonally. 2. Fold corners to meet at top point. 3. Turn napkin over and fold bottom 2/3 way up. 4. Tuck corners inside cuff at base of fold and stand. 5. Turn one layer of point down and set on base. Steps in making bishop's hat napkin fold. 1. Fold napkin in half diagonally. 2. Fold corners to meet at top point. 3. Turn napkin over with points to the top. 4. Fold lower corner 2/3 way up. 5. Fold back onto itself. 6. Bring corners together, tucking one into the other. 7. Open base of fold and stand upright. Steps in making standing fan napkin fold. First, lay the napkin face down in front of you and fold the napkin in half and orient the open end towards you. Then, fold the napkin like an accordion starting at either narrow end. Leave one end with 2 to 3 inches of unfolded napkin to support the standing fan. 3. Fold the napkin in half with the accordion folds on the outside. 4. Grasp the unfolded corners where they meet on the open end and fold them in diagonally, tucking them under the accordion folds, and finally, open it and stand it up. The goblet fan napkin fold. 1. Lay the napkin face down in front of you and fold the napkin in half and orient the open end towards you. 2. Begin accordion folding from the bottom, all the way up to the top. Make each fold about 3/4 to 1 wide. Fold the pleated napkin in half, 3. Insert the napkin into the goblet, folding the first inch or so under, as shown, to keep pleats secure, 4. Unfold the pleats in shape into a fan. Interlock the 2 center pleats if needed to keep the fan intact. The Lotus Napkin Fold, 1. Fold each corner of a square napkin into the center to create a smaller square, 2. Flip the napkin over and fold each corner into the center again, 3. Hold down the center of the napkin with a finger, 4. Pull up the flap from underneath at each corner to create the lotus petals. The Birds of Paradise Napkin Fold. The importance of knowing the different napkin folds. Knowing different napkin folds is important because it enhances the overall aesthetic and sophistication of a table setting, impressing guests and contributing to the atmosphere of an event. Creative folds can align with the theme of a meal, such as holding utensils or menus in specific styles, while also adding a personal touch that demonstrates attention to detail. Napkin folds can be both decorative and functional, offering organization for buffet tables or formal dinners. Understanding various folds shows respect for cultural traditions and formal dining etiquette, making guests feel valued and enhancing the overall dining experience.
A time to remember. This is Teacher Mylene. Thank you for watching and please subscribe to my YouTube channel.